Xiaomi Mi 8 and let me show you how to enter here the recovery mode on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose here power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Mi logo pops up on the screen. This is the Mi recovery mode, so here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here, for example, you can accomplish the hard reset by choosing wipe data, or you can connect your device with Mi Assistant. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose Reboot and press power key to confirm it. Now let's press power key one more time to reboot to system and wait until your device boots into the normal mode. So let's just wait a couple of seconds. That's it, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.